The W-axis machining module of HedraCAM V4 integrates agent-based programming technology, adopting a combined framework of agent front-end interaction, 加 back-end reinforcement learning to realize intelligent offline programming. The back-end reinforcement learning model is trained using the actual machining trajectories of nearly 10,000 distinct sheet metal parts. These sheet metal models and machining datasets stem from the company's machining database accumulated over more than 20 years. Only the proprietary machining know-how gathered through decades of real-world production processes can train AI capabilities that are truly applicable to practical manufacturing.